Ladies and gentlemen, this is our main event of the evening here at Brawl 11 live from Mulcahy's. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go! This is a 4-round Legends exhibition match. Introducing first, competing out the blue corner, hailing from Franklin Square, New York, and representing KO Boxing, standing 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighing in at 168 pounds. His competitiveness and dedication to kickboxing and combat sports spans over 25 years. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Mr. Michael Corleone! And his opponent, competing out of the red corner, from Copiague, New York, standing 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighing in at 167 pounds. He has held multiple titles in this sport, including being the undisputed welterweight champion, unified light middleweight world champion, and undisputed super lightweight champion. Ladies and gentlemen, Bobby Jackhammer Campbell! Referee in charge of the action is Christopher Wagner.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 10-time world champion Bobby Campbell in there. Got a regular fight record of 38-5-1. This is an exhibition match, so the win-loss will not matter for either fighter. But we're about to get going. As you see him walk in with his son, Rocky. Bob, that's something Bobby's always talked about, even before he had his son, about how much, he wants to have a kid, and now his son's a few years old and fighting in front of him. Both these guys throwing some punches back and forth. Talking about retirement, Bobby's been itching to come back for a while.
Yeah. Running the gym, having a son, taking care of the family.
Running the promotion. He keeps busy, Bobby. He's always on the go. Guys throwing back and forth. Now, I'm curious if we're going to see Bobby coming back again for a possible, another fight. Last fight in his career, he won against a Canadian.
I mean, he does run his own gym, so it's not like he's
ever out of the gym.
Yeah, he's got all the tools at his disposal. It's just.
Although he had me laughing, he was saying how he wanted to get. He's telling his brother to get his shirt on him right away after the fight because he's like, all I've been doing is eating Taco Bell
and drinking beer.
Had me laughing. Corleone throwing some heavy body shots to the outside. As Bobby's covering up. A 10-second warning right there. Talking about Corleone working with the guys with Parkinson's disease. Tell us a little bit more about that. You're talking about how the helps PTSD with troops and stuff.
So when it comes to, I didn't really get to read the whole article about it, but Gracie Jiu-Jitsu, I believe that's down in Tampa, Florida, linked up with a local VA to help troops battle symptoms of PTSD through Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. It keeps their mind off of it. And someone who's deployed to Afghanistan, Jiu-Jitsu is by far my favorite martial art because it's it's so methodical and it keeps your mind just going, and one thing leads to another and to another and to another, and it's just great.
Like a chess game. We're about to start round 2. This is 4 rounds, 2 minutes apiece. Bobby with the white trunks with gold trim. Michael Corleone with the black and white Muay Thai looking shorts. Oh, a little kick action right there by Mike.
A little Spartan kick. All right, they're starting to turn it up a little.
Yeah.
This exhibition might turn into an actual fight.
Oh, some big body shots right there by Corleone.
Yeah. I remember Bobby was supposed to have an exhibition match with the New York Badass.
Oh,
Phil
yeah,
Baroni.
Phil Baroni, yeah. Yeah, unfortunately that never happened.
Because of the weight difference.
Yeah, you know what? And Bobby's a tough guy though. He's been he's 38-5-1. Like he's not fighting chumps. He's always fought tough guys. A 10-time world champion. But I think they were just it's an exhibition. But I don't think the sanctioned body was feeling the weight difference.
No.
I think it would have been entertaining to get Phil Baroni in here.
It would have been. I guess they just just in case if Phil got caught or Bobby got caught and then it gets turned up.
Yeah.
I mean, that could...
Baroni's an interesting guy. He's a little crazy in the head.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure in an exhibition match, if you punch him in the head, he's going to try to take off yours.
Yeah, yep.
He's always been...
One speed.
One speed, and that's always been fighting.
Yep. Round 2 is about to end. These two legends. But you know, this is good for the sport when you get guys like this who want to continue to compete, but obviously not compete to the level where it's going to count on your record. It's just in there for fun for the fans. You see in the old timers, someone you haven't seen. So a lot of people have never even seen Bobby fight that are in here. So you get an opportunity to see him in there and move around. Same as Michael Corleone. People get to see him move. It's fun. It's good for the sport. Connects the older generations with the younger generations. Chris Wagner is asking Bobby a question.
Yeah.
Not really sure what he asked him.
Bobby, go for the takedown.
I don't think Bobby's ever shot a takedown in his life.
I don't know.
He's always been a kickboxer, a striker. I don't think he's never done an MMA fight.
I'm kind of curious to know where Joe Simone is doing his jiu-jitsu if he's training at Bobby's gym. Bobby doesn't have a jiu-jitsu guy, does he?
I think he might. I think he has someone come in, but I'm not completely positive with that. Oh, Michael Corleone trying to switch it up, go to the head to the body. His nickname, I feel like, should be the Godfather.
Yeah.
He's sticking his tongue out at Bobby, trying to taunt him a little.
It almost looks like Corleone isn't wearing a mouthpiece.
I was thinking the same thing, but he is.
Oh, there it is.
Does a little dance right there. I think he's feeling confident right now, Corleone. Oh, big body shot right there.
Yep, here we go.
First time I met Michael Corleone was way back in 2014 when I just got back from Wisconsin, and he was judging a fight out in St. James. It was an MMA. That was long before it became legal in New York.
Oh, was it KTFO?
That was before that. It was Platinum Gloves.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
I remember Platinum Gloves.
Yeah, they've gone through quite some name changes, but met him there first and seen him fight a couple times, seen him referee, judge, coach, seen him do a little of everything. Guy's been around the sport a long time.
I think the last time I saw him fight was with Blood Axe.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that might be the last time I saw him fight as well.
I think that's the last time I saw Blood Axe fight.
Yeah, I think so. I know Blood Axe now doing like bare knuckle boxing over in England most of the time, but that's kind of a right fit for Blood Axe, bare knuckle boxing, which is brutal, that sport.
That is some crazy stuff.
You gotta have a different mindset to be doing that.
Yeah, a lot of MMA fighters though that got out of like the UFC and Bellator, really making some names for themselves in that sport.
Yeah, they really are.
The other Marine, Mike the Marine Richmond.
Yeah, he's done a great job over there.
Nasty dude. I love watching him fight. Chad Mendez.
Yeah, Chad Mendez. Yeah, I forgot about Chad Mendez. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, I remember seeing Chad Mendez's last UFC fight was against the 145 title holder. What's his name?
I'm trying to think. Right now, the current holder?
Yeah.
In the UFC?
In the UFC. At 145.
Max Holloway?
No, Max lost it.
Oh, yeah, okay. It's, what's his name? He's a double champ right now.
No, he's trying to be. He's trying to be another double champ.
No, he's... Volkanovski, thank you.
Yeah,
Hey, he is a double champ now. I thought he was it.
No, Volkanovski is the 145 title holder, and the.
I thought he was trying to go for the 3. I thought he was bantamweight and no, bantamweight's Aljamain. So
Aljamain's bantamweight, Volkanovski's featherweight,
and he's trying to go up to 145.
Was Charles Oliveira, but he just got beat by
Islam.
Yeah,
that's right. To be honest, I think I pay more attention to local MMA than I do the professional at this point, just because, one, there's so many names. Yeah. 2, I go to all the MMA local fights / kickboxing and boxing.
When's the next one?
The next one I'm doing is December 10th, and then after that, the new year. These guys are 4th round and they're getting at it a little bit more. I like it.
Yeah. That first round, it was like they were just having fun. Now they're kind of hitting each other.
Corleone's trying to turn it up a little bit. Bobby ripped him before in the head. I think Bobby wasn't having it at one point. 10-second warning to finish this fight. Love to see these two guys out there.
Yeah, it's great.
There you have it. Big sign of respect for those two guys between each other.
Yep, there's the T-shirt right on, right
on. The T-shirt goes on. Hey, Bobby, keep the shirt off.
Let's hear from both fine competitors, ladies and gentlemen.
It is Fat Boy Fall right now.
Yeah. I'd probably do the same thing. Put that shirt right on. But as a big guy, you got to own it.
Yeah.
Taking the gloves off for the official decision. Which really isn't a decision because it's an exhibition match.
Yeah.
But bring them together. But what a great night of fights, man. What a great night.
It was a good night.
So real quick after they make this official decision via ring announcer Matthew Compitello, we're going to let me know what you think was the fight of the night. All right, after this. Bobby's got his son in his hand.
Go on, dude. Every time I see you, somebody get punched in the face.
Let's hear it one more time for both fine competitors, Bobby Jackhammer Campbell and Mr. Michael Corleone.
There you have it.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Michael Corleone's son will present him with a commemorative championship belt. Thank you, Mr. Corleone, for over 30 years of tenacity, dedication, and competition in kickboxing and all combat sports.
There you have it. That's pretty cool. That's much respect for Bobby for doing that, as Bobby's about to be on the mic.
I just want to say Mike Corleone's coming from a different breed. He's a true champion. He's what they call a real fighter nowadays. There's not many real fighters out there. This guy fought everyone and anyone in the past 30 years. This guy's a true legend. It was an honor to fight him, and because he paved the way for many people, including myself, for Mike. It was an honor being there with you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Jackhammer Promotions Brawl 11. We hope you enjoy our Legends Exhibition main event. Everybody have a nice Thanksgiving, and please make sure the station safely.
As we close this up, myself, Kyle Carroll, alongside Sam Honig, Jackhammer Promotions Brawl 11. Sam, how'd you see this? What was your fight of the night?
Definitely the title fight between Jackson and Demetrius. Those guys came out swinging. They were not giving in to each other's game plan whatsoever. That was a fight to watch.
I agree 100%. Dubois and Nikas is definitely the fight of the night for myself as well. What a great night of fight here at Mulcahy's in Wantor, New York. Jackhammer Promotions, we will be back January 15th. Don't go nowhere. Make sure you're here January 15th. We thank everyone watching on jackhammerfights.com. I, Kyle Carroll, and Sam Honig wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving, a healthy, safe one, and eat lots of turkey, and we will see you soon. We are out. Thank you very much.